How to change the background color of an image in Canva. Now, the first thing we need to do is click on Uploads in the left-hand side, and then just go and upload the image that you want to replace the background of. So I already have my image here, so I'm simply going to drag it over to my project. Now go and select your image and then press Edit. So we're going to start by removing the background of this current image. Now, if you have Canva Premium, you can simply scroll down to the BG remover and you can go and use this tool to just remove your background automatically. Now, if you don't have the BG remover, then what you can do instead is go and open up a new internet browser, go and type in remove background from image, and you need to click on this website here, which is remove.bg. You can then click on the upload image button. You then need to go and upload your image, and this will automatically remove the background. So once the background's been removed, you can just go and click on the download button to re-download this to your computer. You can then head back over to Canva and you need to go and upload the image with the transparent background. So once you have your image like this, we can click on elements in the left-hand side, and then you can go and search for a new background. So I'm just going to type in something like cool background, and then I'm going to expand the graphics section. Now, once you've found a background that you like, so let's say I wanted to use this background here, you can simply right click on the image and then you can press set image as background. And now, as you can see, this has replaced the colors and the background of this image. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.